Hello, this is WeededMODZ. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a lag switch without cutting your cord or anything like that. It's all in a web program. Well, not really a web program, just an application that you can get for your computer called NetTools. Now, whenever you download NetTools, it will show up as a virus because inside of NetTools there's like stuff that you can use to make viruses. So it will show up as a virus, but it's not a virus. And inside NetTools, you get all of these things. But the main thing that you want is the UDP flutter. And this right here is what you will use as your lag switch. Okay, you want to change this, the 127.0.0.1. I'm going to change it to 27.27.27.27. And right here, you want to type data in a couple of times. Okay. And then you want to highlight it, copy it, paste it in there a couple of times so that you can have a lot of data. And then you can highlight it all again, copy it, paste it. All you really want is just a lot of things that says data in here. And now right here where it says speed, take this thing and move it all the way up to 10. And when you're in the game and you know your connection host, all you have to do is press start, and it'll start sending packets to everybody else that's connecting to you. And that's why you need to be connection host, because it's going to stop all their connections. Well, not really stop their connections, but just like slow it down. And you can even kick people if you're connection host. If you're not connection host, only thing that's going to go down is your own connection, because the host is refusing to take all the packets, and you're not sending them to anybody else. And that's pretty much it. And this here is really useful. I like using it in Call of Duty. You can use this for the Xbox 360 games, the PC games, pretty much any online games. And it's really fun to use. It makes people wonder what happened and everything like that. I have kicked like 5 games of full of people, and like nobody's left except for me. And I just win. So yeah, it's fun. I will leave it a link to this in the description. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Hello, this is WeededMODZ, and this here's what happens if you use this lag switch. Okay, so you see everybody's connection. I'll press start, and all their connections start to fall. And you can eventually kick people doing this. Okay, see, I just kicked some of their team out.
We've lost that round, but it is not over yet. Get ready for the next one. Just in time. Defend the objective.
And see, over time, you eventually just like kick a bunch of people out of the game. If you're in a party, you will also kick out some people in the party. That's just what happens.
Good. Get Get ready for the next round. Halftime. Search and destroy.
And see, over time with the usage of this, you can kick out an entire team of people, and yeah, this here's just for Modern Warfare 2. You don't really get to choose who gets kicked out, so this is fun to do just to mess with people, and to do this you do need to be a connection host. So yeah. Okay, now see, there's like nobody in the game. So yeah, this here's kind of cool. You can do this. You can trick your friends with it. Just make sure you're connection host. If you're not connection host, it'll only take down your own internet. And if you leave it on for too long, you can be kicked out of the game.